Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. It is day one of the Homesteaders of America Conference 2023. We're so excited. It's pretty early this morning. We're staying here at Town Place Suites in Front Royal, Virginia. I highly recommend this hotel. In fact, it comes with breakfast. We're gonna go down and get some breakfast in a minute, but come with us and join us for day one of the Homesteaders of America Festival. They actually had a decent breakfast with a gluten-free blueberry muffin. That's the remnants of it. And I'm pretty impressed with this Town Place Suites. Off to the Homestead Festival. First stand, and I'm already buying one of these amazing, what would we call this officially? Ponchos. And you can see she does incredible work. So if you're coming this weekend, or and you're not sure for next year,
no, I'm not sure yet. I've been here 4 years already.
But you have a YouTube channel
where
they can find you.
Bandana Grandma, right here.
Amazing. And thank you so much. I love it. Oh, babies. Aren't you cute?
Why do you guys follow bald necks?
This is
See, I don't know if we got chicks to be able to look at that and say this is a that and this is a that.
No, I have no idea.
We always get them as teenagers. Yeah, I never got them. I never started from chicks.
I wonder which ones has the little stripes.
I never started.
That is so precious. This is all hand done. And where can our viewers find you?
Sure. We are actually located in Fauquier County, Virginia. And we have an Etsy page at etsy.com/The Rustic Mod. Or we can be found at www.therusticmod.com.
Thank you. I'm definitely going to get one. I just don't know what I want to pick out yet. I'll show you guys in a minute what I pick. When in doubt, you have to go with fresh eggs. Because our girls give us the best. Guys, I'm here with Stivers Homestead. I'm very excited. Thank you so much for doing this quick interview.
Absolutely.
What would you say got you all started in this? I mean, in just a nutshell.
Sure. So at the high level, my great-grandfather was a cattle and tobacco farmer. Her family was more of the homesteaders. Yeah, and so when we clashed and got married, she brought my love of farming out, and she wanted to always have medicinal herbs and growing our own food and staying away from grocery stores as much as we can. So that's kind of what got us going.
Yeah, and then we saw all the other YouTube channels, and we were like, we can do that. It might be fun.
Let's start filming ourselves too.
No, seriously, and that's how you get the word out, and that's how it just continues to spread. So you've been a huge inspiration for us, so thank you.
Absolutely, thank you.
Oh, the babies. The babies. Well, hello, guys. Hello. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Like we have that tiny little coop
Yeah.
And then the run. This is basically a run. We put roosting bars and nest boxes there, and you can pack all the chickens you want.
Oh my gosh. So that's a 5x6. Lightweight. This is like that, like Joel Salatin's method, you know, like moving them around.
Yeah.
What do you call it? A chicken tractor, but a true chicken tractor, like.
Yeah.
Easy to take care of. You don't have to always milk goats. You can just buy pets if you just kind of want them to have fun, or if you want them to just kind of use land. These goats are really.
It looks like it's smacking him in the head. It's cool. That's definitely a way to advertise. I want to check out some of this stuff. These are amazing handmade spoons and tools. Definitely want to pick up some. So, this is designed specifically for the right-handed.
It's like a Moravian star on a cross.
That's cool.
How we doing?
I think that's a winner.
Winner, spatula for dinner.
That's awesome.
Enjoy.
They're so beautiful.
Hello.
For you. All right.
I've been following you guys on like other Homestead channels, you know, when they've videoed for before. I said we're coming in to get some spoons.
We gotta find the spoon guy.
Yep.
All right. There you go. There's a
Where
card
we have
here.
a very small channel, but where can our viewers find you?
riverwoodtradingco.com
Okay.
or at Riverwood Trading on Instagram.
And you make all of these yourself?
Yep, my dad and I.
Oh my gosh, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
It's like all the fields. They couldn't put this on a flat surface.
On our website, we have a growing guide that covers that. There, we'll send this. For this one, we don't have the long-term storage.
And I think the world is dangerous, and from my vantage point, it looks like it's getting increasingly more so. Somebody just asked me before I got up here, given our socio-political climate and violence, do we need you? And I'm like, I paused a moment, and my response was, well, I think we need us. I think we need a whole bunch of warrior poets online playing zone and say, if violence would come to me and mine, to my neighborhoods, to my communities, to my workplaces, to my church, wherever violent men may seek to do harm, not on my watch. Not on my watch.
So, we came to the end of our little Homestead Festival journey on our 16th wedding anniversary. What'd you think?
It was very interesting. We thought we were coming into basically a fancy craft fair, but every booth was, you know, milking equipment and fencing equipment and electric fences and solar generators and homeschool supplies, which makes sense because it's a homesteading conference. A lot of good speakers, people we recognize from Facebook here, or YouTube rather. That was a good experience. I wish my legs were
Feeling better.
feeling a little bit better. These rocks and these hills are about killing me, but I'm going to the truck to rest.
All right. Well, that about wraps up day one. Thanks, guys, for coming along with us.